This is a model of the integument here. Ready?
Can you get it off it? Okay.
Okay, this is the model of the integument here. And so this is the hypodermis down here, this is dermis, and then this is epidermis right there. Now, if we start with the epidermis, this is our basal lamina down here. Our first layer is the stratum germinativum. Did I screw that up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is our stratum germinativum right here. This is our stratum spinosum, our stratum granulosum, the lucidum, and then the corium. And you can see this is thick skin versus thin skin with no lucidum layer. This is a sudoriferous gland. It's going to dump all the way to the surface. Here's another one here, dumping all the way to the surface. Here's another one here, dumping all the way to the surface.
What are those?
Sudoriferous glands. This is a sebaceous gland. Sebaceous glands dump onto a hair follicle, so you can see how it's going onto a hair. Here's another sebaceous gland dumping onto a hair. Here we have the hair follicle itself, and then this is the shaft of the hair, and this down here is the root of the hair. This muscle that's associated with the hair is called the erector pili muscle. This is a lamellated corpuscle for sensing pressure. This is a tactile corpuscle for sensing touch. These are blood vessels. This is nervous tissue. This is all loose fibrous connective tissue. This is adipose tissue. This is smooth muscle tissue right here. Now, if we look at the top of the epidermis, these are our epidermal ridges here that extend through. These are the dermal papilla. This is now the dermis. These are dermal papilla here. And I think that got it all. Okay, next. Hey, wait. You ready? Alright, here's another model of the integument. Same thing though. You can see this is hypodermis, this is dermis, and then this is epidermis. If we start again with the epidermis, this is our basal lamina. This is our stratum germinativum, our stratum spinosum, our stratum granulosum, our stratum lucidum, our stratum corneum. Okay. These are dermal papilla here. These are tactile corpuscles, and this is nervous tissue attached to them.
What's the nervous tissue?
This is the lamellated corpuscle right here. This is a sudoriferous gland. Again, it's dumping onto the surface. Sudoriferous gland, sudoriferous gland. These are sebaceous glands. These are associated with the hair. Here's one that's been dissected out. This is the hair follicle here. This is the hair root. And then this part extending through the epidermis is the hair shaft. This is our erector pili muscle. These are blood vessels. This is all loose fibrous connective tissue, adipose tissue, smooth muscle tissue, nervous tissue, epidermal tissue. And I think that got it all.